adlaw sa tanan, hinaot nga nag-enjoy mo kayo ng inyong family or friends or inyong kagalingon sa weekend. Nana sa tadiri karon sa lake, indiin among i-experience ang snowmobile sa akong likod. Mo siya snowmobile nga among giabangan. So exciting kay karon guys kay first time na mo ma-experience ang snowmobile. So yugi mi sa among mga aktibidades karon o kasikas. So first off,
Alright.
insert the key.
You gotta have the key. And then you have to turn it on.
Okay.
So there's an on-off switch here.
Uh-huh.
Push it down to turn off, lift it up to turn it on.
Okay.
There are heaters for your hands and feet.
Oh, nice.
So that's this switch here and this switch here.
Mm-hmm.
And so this is for your hands, for the hand grips. This is warm it up, this is cool it off. It gets really hot.
Okay.
If you turn it all the way up, it gets really hot.
Okay. What's that orange button there?
That's the starter.
Okay.
Once you lift this up, you just press this to start it.
There you go. Woohoo! How do you reverse?
That's this one right here.
Okay. So you just pull that lever there and that's
Pull
reverse.
that lever, that's reverse. And
Okay.
then you give it a little gas right here. So, you know how a motorcycle has this?
Yep.
This has got a thumb accelerator.
Oh, okay,
So
okay.
you push on it with your thumb to go faster.
Noted. John, excited ka?
Excited ko, tuton kay ko. Bangon ko ba?
Ang ganito yung helmet.
Ako din eh. Oh,
Ito Lisa, ya. Makasaya na dito ang snowmobile. Ha?
sa una, balapa na ba? Ayan ko eh.
Habang ako sa kutog sa una, parang iti park karon. Snowmobile na. Sampulan mi sa mo ang
Gidimuhan yun mi eh.
sa mo ang kuandre guide si Pat.
So, it's easy to tip over if you turn too sharp,
Yep.
right?
Mhm.
You want to take it easy on the turn.
Yep.
Oh, that's scary.
Safety first. You attach this to your glove,
So that when I fall,
and then if you fall off, it pulls the key.
Oh,
and
okay, just like the
turns it
jet
off,
ski.
right? And that way it's connected, and so if you fall off, it'll pull the key out and turns the machine off.
sounds good.
All right.
Yep.
That's
Uh,
so speed limit, 55 miles an hour.
Okay, that's the speed limit,
When you get
55.
on the lake, it's going to be very, very bumpy.
Okay.
And you're going 30, 40 miles an hour, you're going to be like riding a horse.
Exciting.
Right? It's going to be very, very bumpy.
Okay.
Let's get it on.
When superstars and cannonballs are running through your head, and television freak show cops and rappers everywhere. Subway makes me nervous, people pushing me too far. I got to break away, so take my hand out, 'cause I want to live like cannonball, careless and free. Like cannonball, I want to live, I want to run through the jungle, the wind in my hair and the sand at my feet.
Hi. So nami karon sa kuan ang kani ginatawag ni og fish house. So mao ni usa sa mga lingaw sa mga tao diri kung winter. Makita ninyo sa background mao na ang mga kuan kanang unsa tawag na fish house. Kung asa manakop og fish ang mga tao diri. So mura siya mga tents ba.
Ang purpose sa fish house kay para makadugay sila og fishing during winter kay
Okay.
labi na kung mo negative og maayo mo daw og maayong temperature niya, wind chill. Ya kung wala fish house, mag-fishing sila, matutyo sila ba.
O ginawa sa
Frostbite. So nindot dire nami to nga sa lake kanay among gibarugan kay lake ni siya. So far unsa may imong experience sa snowmobile?
grabe kay guys ang snowmobile. Diba nindot siya. Exhilarating.
So mura sa jet ski guys, pero snow lang siya dagan.
Jet ski nga wala sa tubig.
Mura siya motor kay kailangan mo balance niya. Kung di ka mo balance, pwede ka matip over. Labi na yung mga bumps. So dapat inahinay gyapon kanya, it takes skills gyapon nga para mo drive kag snowmobile. So muna siya, nag-chill siya mi diri, no? Marami ka ng exclusive ba kay. As you can see ang palibot. Grabe, camera gyud. No? Lingaw kay, ora exclusive ba. No? Wara good.
The next day.
I believe.